Hi, welcome back to my channel. I am Forever Mimi, coming to you with a taste test on the Lactaid free ice cream. And it is the flavor of vanilla, and it says made with 100% real milk and ice cream right there. And here is the nutrition facts. Kind of high, but if you don't eat that much of it, you probably won't get the whole 200 calories. That's just my opinion. Okay, here it is in the little bowl that I got from the little glass clear bowls that I got from Dollar Tree. I got it in this. So let's go ahead on and taste this baby. Look at this, y'all. Okay. Can we slide it off? All right. All right, y'all. Now, if y'all remember me trying the other vanilla Lactaid, which is, let me see, the cookies and, okay, y'all remember I told y'all it was the vanilla, it was the cookies and cream, and it was the strawberry. I never found the strawberry, but I did do the, I don't think I did a taste test on the cookies and cream, but I have tasted the cookies and cream. And I had tasted vanilla. So now I'm tasting this one. And to me, it tastes a little bit lighter than the vanilla flavor. The first one that they came out with. Not this one. It still go down smooth. Okay. Still goes down smooth. It seemed like it's settling pretty well with me because I do have digestion issues. It does go down pretty smooth and well. It's sitting fine. So, I'm going to have to give this baby a 10. I'm going to have to give her a 10. Okay. The fat content is a little bit high. It's 11. No, it's 14%. And the sugars is 16 grams. I guess that's not too bad. I guess it's not. But I like it. It's light. Goes down very well. Seems like it's sitting okay. And ain't, no stomach ain't bubbling yet. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. Okay, yeah. So, if you're lactose tolerant, go ahead on and try this one, or either try the other ones if you can find them, because I still haven't found this one. I haven't found the chocolate one yet. I still haven't found the strawberry one. The cookies and cream is good, but they saying this is the cookies and cream. No, this is the chocolate chip. Yeah, they got one that says mint chocolate chip. Then they got one that says chocolate chip, and then they got the chocolate cookies and cream. I'm sorry, if y'all can see that. So if y'all find it, y'all let me know how it tastes. I'm still looking for the strawberry and the chocolate one. Can't find it at Kroger, so I may have to venture out somewhere else and go see if they have it. But yeah, this is the end of the taste test for the Lactaid lactolerant free ice cream. Okay? So thank y'all for watching. Thumbs me up, like, comment, and come on over and join me. And I will see you all on another video.